Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. День матери. Страница 140-141. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Mother's Day. Page number 140, 141. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 140. Mother's Day. Exercise number 1. What's the special word? Read, guess and complete. День матери. Догадайся, какое слово пропущено. Mom, thanks for everything you do. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Love, Larry. Mom, I love you because you're the best. Happy Mother's Day. Love, Lulu. Mom, you're very special to me. I love you very much. Happy Mother's Day. Love, Maya. Mom, thank you for loving me. I love you too. Happy Mother's Day. Love, Paco. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Think of your mother. What words come to mind? Напишите на лепестках цветка слова, которые ассоциируются с твоей мамой. Beautiful eyes, long hair, wonderful, nice, interesting. Play basketball, ride a bike, listen to music. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 141. Exercise number 3. Listen and complete, then sing along. Oh, mother, mother, mommy, mom, your love to me is like the sun. It's warm and happy, with a smiling face. No other mother can take your place. Прослушайте и напишите пропущенные слова, а потом спойте песенку. Oh, mother, mother, mommy, mom, your love to me is like the sun. It's warm and happy, with a smiling face. No other mother can take your place. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Listen and repeat. I love you, lovey-dovey. I lovey-dovey do. And I know, lovey-dovey, you love me, dovey too. Послушайте и повторите. I love you, lovey-dovey. I lovey-dovey do. And I know, lovey-dovey, you love me, dovey too. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Make a lovey-dovey for your mom. Сделай милого голубка для своей мамы. My dear friends, Your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.